This is the dashboard tab. From here, you can view your applicants, view your jobs, or start posting a brand new job. Over on the right hand side, you will see new tools and features that we are announcing or rolling out. And this link right down here at the bottom is the career site URL link. This is by far the most important piece of information on here. When you click this link, it takes you to the custom career page that we made for your company. This is to help get exposure for your jobs, and not only your jobs, but your company and brand as well. The biggest way that I recommend sharing this is creating a Facebook post on your company's Facebook page, wording it however you want to word it, something along the lines of, "We're hiring, come check out our available jobs at the link below," and then copy and paste this career site URL into that Facebook post. From there, once the post is created, you can pin that post to your company's Facebook page so it won't move down or get buried under any of your other company's posts. If you're not familiar with how to pin the post, it's the three dots in the top right of the post on Facebook. You click on those, it opens up a menu, and amongst those options should be pin. Like I said, this will stick that right to the top of your company's Facebook page, so it's one of the first things that people see when they go to your company's Facebook page. From there, you can have your friends, family, and staff all share this link, which will not only get additional exposure to your jobs, but also to your company and brand as well.